am Taryn Grom, co-founder and editor-in-chief of PharmaVOICE magazine. We're coming to you from Genpact's Impact 2012 Pinpointing Opportunities in Uncertain Times conference. We have access to several presenters who will provide us with their key takeaways. I was fortunate to be able to pull aside Shantanu Ghosh from the conference. I'll be speaking with him about the intelligent enterprise. Welcome to the program.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
How is an intelligent enterprise able to address different markets and run operations more optimally?
An intelligent enterprise is globally effective, is adaptable, is innovative, and has modular cost structures. It is able to run operations consistently and efficiently across different markets by leveraging a partner ecosystem who have the capabilities and competencies of creating process excellence. Most companies are organized on a functional basis. What they can get from a partner ecosystem is the effectiveness of process domain expertise and technology and analytics to run their processes much more efficiently.
Thank you so much for sharing your perspectives with us.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
We're here with Merck's Stacey Gelman. Stacey, welcome to the program.
Thanks, Taryn. It's a pleasure to be here.
We'll be talking about Stacey's experience adopting a multifunctional business model at Merck. What results from both a cost and resource perspective have you been able to realize by adopting aspects of an intelligent enterprise model?
By implementing an intelligent enterprise model across our manufacturing locations, we're able to solve problems that arise much faster. By having a community of experts, independent of what location they are a part of, when a problem rises in one part of the world, whether it's Europe, whether it's Asia, or whether it's the Americas, the knowledge of all of Merck's manufacturing expertise can be brought to bear to solve that problem. That gets us manufacturing much faster and helps us bring our medicines to the world.
Stacey, thanks so much.
You're very welcome.
Joining us now is Bala. I'll be picking his brain about changing business models given global challenges. Welcome, Bala.
Pleasure to be here.
Please identify the opportunities you believe companies can realize in uncertain times.
Absolutely. Collaboration is key, both within the organization, breaking down silos of information and people, as well as outside within the ecosystem of partnerships that you need to have. Leverage the right technology, right process, and do analytics all the way on it. We need to convert the glut of data that is around us into actionable insights or intelligence, whether it be in the R&D departments, bringing new products to market, or in the commercial operations teams, taking the right message on these products to the right consumers, from molecule through to market.
Thanks so much for joining us.
You're welcome.
For an expert perspective on the European market, I'll be talking with Manu Goel. Manu, thank you so much for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Now, Manu, let us talk about what's happening with Europe. What do you think the European market will look like in the future?
I think there are three key aspects of that. The pharma companies will go more the diversified route or into the focused therapy area route. We have already started seeing that happening. The second thing that's going to happen is they're going to become more integrated networks. They're going to leverage the wider ecosystem that they have rather than doing everything in-house. And I think the third inevitable thing to happen is consolidation. There should be some level of further consolidation within the pharma companies.
Thanks so much for sharing your views.
Thanks, I really enjoyed it.
Hi, I'm here with Charlie Kelly from GlaxoSmithKline. Charlie, thanks so much for joining us today.
Hi, Taryn. Thank you for the offer. It's a pleasure to be here.
Why is it imperative for companies to rethink their operational processes in order to achieve future success?
Pharmaceutical companies have invested globally and regionally for a long time. As a result of that, they've made investments in processes throughout the world. That's not an efficient way to run your business. So what we're attempting to do with the support of Genpact is to standardize and bring consistency to those processes across the globe. That'll reduce cost. A good example of that is in our procurement to pay process, where we've introduced standard processes to reduce the cost of the end-to-end process of procuring goods.
Charlie, thanks so much for sharing those terrific insights with us.
Taryn, my pleasure. Thank you.
My next guest is BK Kalra. I'll be asking him about some of the challenges in the life sciences industry. Welcome, BK.
Thanks for having me.
BK, from your perspective, what are the biggest challenges facing the life sciences industry?
Well, in my head, there are three big challenges: innovation challenges, healthcare costs, and operational complexity. If I go back to innovation challenges, 10 years ago, this industry used to spend about $1 to $2 billion in producing a drug. Today, it spends anywhere between $3 to $4 billion in producing the same drug. However, the 85% drug attrition rate, what comes out of the pipeline, has continued to stay the same. So it has resulted into large costs of producing a drug. Superimpose that with the healthcare cost, which is incredibly high. 17% of US GDP gets spent on just healthcare costs. It puts tremendous pricing pressure. So while the cost is high, the price is still not going to go up, and instead it's going to go down. And then the model that pharmaceutical companies have is very, very complex, and they need to solve for it.
Thanks for joining us.
Oh, my pleasure.
I'd like to thank all the participants for sharing their thoughts, ideas, and expertise. Always remember, uncertainty is the mother of opportunity. I hope you can use some of these insights to pinpoint new opportunities for your business. For more information about Genpact, visit www.genpact.com. And thanks for watching.